Hi, Linda Kay here from lindakaysstampinpage.blogspot.com with my May 31st, 2021 video to the collab I'm in titled Canned Paper Pumpkin. I'm in this collab with my friend Paige, who is Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and the purpose of this collab is to get us to use our paper pumpkin kits. Our kits are just sitting on a shelf collecting dust and growing every month, and we're not getting them used, so we thought we would do a collab and do a can of paper pumpkin a month. So for the month of May, I decided to pull out of my stash this Be Mine Valentine from January 2019, and it was a fun kit. If you made it according to the package, you would be able to make 24 of these cute mini pillow box treat boxes, and they have these die cuts, either the kangaroo or the little kissing chameleons. So that is how the kit was intended, but because it's your kit, you can do anything you want with it, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to show you what I have left of the kit. I of course have this stamp set that I can add to my collection of paper pumpkin stamp sets, and you'll notice the ones I like to use are kind of colored red because I used my Melon Mambo, and it tends to dye the stamps, but no worries, it doesn't harm the photopolymer stamps. They stamp just fine, and they're clean. It just stains them. I have a few of these epoxy hearts, both in Melon Mambo and Flirty Flamingo. I have about 15 die cuts of the kangaroos and of the circles I have yet to use. From the treat boxes, I cut all these little petals from the edges that I didn't use, and I'm going to do something with them. I don't know what, but those are just the offcuts of the treat boxes. And then I have a few leftover labels. So that's all I have left. It did come with a Stampin' Spot in Melon Mambo, but I added that to my collection of Stampin' Spots, and I just pulled out my full-size stamp pad. In addition to my full-size stamp pad, I did use basic white note cards and envelopes by Stampin' Up. They are a must-have for any craft room. They really come in handy, and they get used. So if you're ever looking through the calendar, or excuse me, the catalog, and you see that, think about purchasing them, because you will not be sorry once you've got those in your craft room. In addition to the note cards and envelopes, I use this retired triple banner punch by Stampin' Up. I also use this We Are Memory Keepers corner rounder. I use this EK Success 1/8 inch heavy duty circle handheld punch. I pulled out my We Are Memory Keepers banner punch board. I pulled out Stampin' Up's Playful Alphabet dies. And for embellishments, I pulled out this retired Baker's Twine in white, this retired Baker's Twine in, I think this is Coastal Cabana, I'm not sure, but I think that's what it is. And lastly, I pulled out my Signal Uniball gel pen in white, and then this pink gel pen that I picked up at one of the dollar stores. So those are the extra items that I used, and I will just set these items aside, and then I'll show you what I created. Again, the kit was supposed to create 24 treat box holders, and I created 21 cards, and then I created a banner, and here is the banner. The banner is for my craft room, and there it is. It says create, and these are the treat box one half of the treat box, and they were either in Pool Party or in the Melon Mambo with the little hearts. But I thought it would look cuter with the Pool Party and accented with the Melon Mambo and the Flirty Flamingo. And that's going to go above my punch wall. So after I did that, I thought I'm going to start on my 2022 Valentine's Day cards. So here they are. I made 17 of this particular style. Well, they're half and half. They're either Pool Party and Flirty Flamingo, or excuse me, Melon Mambo, or it's Melon Mambo on the back with Pool Party as a fishtail label. So there's the kissing chameleons, and everything's flat. The only thing I bumped up was the heart, and then that came as a die cut in the kit. And then I put the little epoxy heart, and I stamped "You're So Fly." The inside looks like that. Put a little offcut of the paper right there. And then right here on the back, I took some of those chameleons and just kind of cut up the center. And hey, who says these cut aparts have to be on the front of the card? You can put them on the back. You could even put them on the inside if you want. But I thought they looked cute back here, so that's what I did. So let me just zoom you out a little bit. And then you can see all the cards. And here they are. These are all the ones with the Melon Mambo on the, for the fishtail. They were fun. Again, of this style, between this and the white one, I have 17 of these cards. And then here are the remaining ones, and this is how it looks with the Melon Mambo on the bottom, Pool Party, and then the white. And what I did is I just took the Pool Party heart and flipped it over. I did stitch around the heart with my pink gel pen, and the inside looks the same. Back, there you go. So they were really fun, and I think they'll be a big hit when I send them out for Valentine's Day. And then here's the last one there. Then I ran out of the chameleons, and so then I went to the kangaroos, and I was running short on the pillow boxes, so I just have 3 of this style card. And I just stitched again with my pink gel pen around the circle die cut. Everything's flat. I didn't bump anything up. And I stamped Happy Valentine's Day, and with the heart stamp, I stamped that off 4 times and then stamped it over Happy Valentine's Day with some extra hearts. And that's how the back looks. And I have 3 of those. And then for the last card, I was using all the little scraps like those petals. So I made this little kangaroo, and he's holding some balloons, and I put a banner up here. And he's, I don't know, in a hilly area, grassy area, something. And then I just stamped the inside like that. And it was fun. It was different. It was kind of tedious putting all those little petals there. And at that point, I decided I had enough cards. So I went on to do the envelopes. And remember that the envelopes come with the note cards. So I haven't lined them. I just stamped them with the stamp set. So we're all ready to rock and roll there. And that is my May 31st, 2021 canned paper pumpkin. Now you be the judge. I think I canned this. What do you think? Leave me a comment below and tell me if you think I've canned this kit or not. And also, I'm going to leave a link to Paige and any other participants' channels below so that you can head over to their channel and see how they canned their paper pumpkin kit. Well, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you hit that little notification button down there, you are assured of never missing another one of these marvelous videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next month. Bye.